As you can see, my cat is not very happy. I have brought him out here in the snow. He's not very happy with me. He's never really been out here in the snow before, so I wanted to see how he react. He's on my shoulder, and he's not coming down. I don't think I could shake him off, actually. Alright, you're not happy with me, are you? You are absolutely not happy with me. Okay. No, we won't let you fall. Come on, we're going back inside. Alright. Never been out in snow before. This will probably be the last time he does this. I'm opening the door. We're going back in. He jumps off.